Okay, this is my video for the Lab 3 calendar design program, the calendar program, and I'm going to be running through the test cases. So I'm going to run this here, and the first test case is January of 1753, and there we go. Starts on Monday, so that's perfect. Second one is February of 1753, start on a Thursday. Yep. Third one is January of 1754. So this 1754, and we have it. February of 1756 should be a leap year. There we go, 29 days. The fifth one is 1800 February. Yeah, I'm gonna clear. And then February 2000, that should be a leap year as well. So 2 and 1, 2, 3. There we go, 29 days. And then I'm gonna do the error cases. Must be an integer. Step 0 should tell me it should be between 1 and 12. Yeah. And then 11 should fix it. Yeah. Well, I should have fixed the colon and space here. That's fine. And then we've got the year type error as well. It could be an integer in between, 1753 or later. So -1 won't work. 1752 won't work. 1752, yeah, it doesn't work. And then 2019 works. One more. Okay. Today is the 29th, which is a Wednesday. So what's for 2021? And we see that the 29th is a Wednesday. So that's it.